Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Lamphang ke yeng dor bar thau an ke jilla uba met ba lingdo ulalait ban Kynduh yung menteri rang ba ke jilla Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma barhagani ke jingle Kynduh ula yolat ban Kren ye kamat ka bayadai halor upur usam hapdeng ke jilla Meghalaya bat ke Assam Lamphang uli yetho bahagani ke jing Kren kili ya phlew jingmut bakin le kham kloi no kani ka kam khanang ba ki paj ba ki ba shong basa hakhap pot kinyo shong suk shong sain no
and we did discuss about few things, and we did discuss about this long pending issue, problem which is going on for the last 40-50 years now, which is everybody they're looking forward to see which government can solve this problem once and for all. So I did express from my side my serious concern about the issues which has come up from time to time, which is reported in the media about those people who are at the, living in the boundaries. So he is very, very concerned. He expressed his real concern about this issue, and he assured that we're going to take up this one at a very, very fast pace to see that at least people from both the states are happy at the end of the day to sort out all these pending issues. To respond to that, I think I'll be very, very clear. Any decisions which is to be taken, those stakeholders have to be taken into consideration. Be it whatever decisions the government wants to take. All the stakeholders has to be taken into confidence to ensure that we clear this long pending issues. That is my concern and my advice also as far as this boundary issues are concerned. See, many attempts have been made in the past by previous chief ministers. I know what and why they cannot come or bring a solution to this. So I think that's why I said that everybody should be taken on board to see that, into confidence. Everybody should be taken into confidence as far as this decision. And let not play politics anymore. I think this is the real issue of the state. And for me also, I am very, very serious as far as this concerns. We have to put all sincere efforts to see the light of the day as far as boundary issue is concerned.